Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today I'm giving myself instant dreadlocks. If you haven't seen the full video, it's going to be on my main channel. The link is down below. But in today's video, I want to show you guys how to do an instant dreadlock by interlocking. And this is something I've never seen anybody do before. But what I want to try to do is put a rubber band at the tip of my hair. This is the third dreadlock I'm working on so far. But I feel like if I put a rubber band at the end of my hair, I can just interlock this entire thing. I've never seen a video on it, but I believe you can just do an instant dreadlock by literally just folding your hair, and you'll see it in today's video. I'll give you guys a raw tutorial and we'll see if it works or if it doesn't work. So you guys, I'm not exactly sure how the texture of this dreadlock is actually going to turn out. It may look like it's just braided. I've seen people who just have interlocks and they do look really interesting, but I'm just putting a rubber band at the tip of this. And in my mind, this should work because this is essentially what interlocking does. Is you're literally just taking the tip and threading it through the root of your dreadlocks. And I'll take this rubber band off probably halfway through. So I'm just gonna split and then literally feed the tip through what I just split, and it creates somewhat of a knot. Now I split it the other way. I do want to make sure it goes all the way up. So I'm pushing it all the way to the tip. So it goes right to that rubber band. So now I'm going sideways. Make sure you get through the center of that hair. Pull everything down like this, and now I can thread the tip through. And that's literally all I'm going to be doing. That's how it's going to work out. Same thing. Just repeating this step over and over and over again. If you guys see these two on the left, I got these with crochet hooking. Like I said, that full video is out on my main channel. But this is actually locking up, and it's going fairly fast. I'm not sure how it's going to look, like how neat it's going to be, but I know it's going to work. Now I'm pretty much done. I know it's like a weird texture and it's very skinny, but obviously this thickens up over time, just like how dreadlocks do in general. I can take this off now, the rubber band, and I gotta start working on the tip. I'm gonna palm roll for just a little bit. And I am gonna try to, and as far as this tip, I'm going to try to pull it in as much as possible to match the rest of these so that this one's not a really long dreadlock and the rest are kind of short. So I'm just going in now. And I'm literally just going to go all over the dreadlock because this will pull everything in. You guys can get kind of a close-up on that. Now the thing about interlocks is you can actually undo the interlocks. But if you come in with a crochet needle afterward, it'll hold a whole lot better. So guys, it's literally only been a little over 8 minutes and I'm already almost done with doing this dreadlock. So on any of the parts that I feel that are thin, I'm just going in with the crochet needle and it thickens up that spot because it makes it frizzy and it makes it more mature. But you can kind of see how this evened out after pulling in the crochet needle. It tightened everything up, and right now everything may look a little weird, but I'll show you my head after all of my dreadlocks are completely finished. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I know this will help you guys out a whole bunch. But look at this. I'm going to do a little bit more work on this. I actually have to head out to my son's basketball game, but it's really frizzy, so it's going to take quite a bit of crochet hooking to pull all the loose hair in.
I think I want it to be some really craftsman style needlework.
I love that.
Yo, first off, I just want to say, like, I feel like the old Gunther is back. Like, sheesh, this feels like my old self with how my hair looks. So you guys, this is what the hair is looking like afterward. And literally just did it all in one day. It is all locked up. If you guys, like I said, want to see the full video, make sure to go and check out the full video on my main channel. Link is down below. I show you guys like a more in-depth on how everything looks, but this was really easy to do. Didn't take me that long, maybe 5 hours at the most, but I did it most all myself. You guys see that Candace actually helped me out a little bit in the video that I'm linking down below, but I did most of it by myself. As far as crochet hooking, I did all the crochet hooking. I did all the instant locking myself. So make sure to go check that video out, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will link the interlocking tool and the crochet needle down below. But on that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.